Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Just making this video before I go to work. I picked up the car last night. Changed out all the suspension. I want to bring you guys in. I want to show you. Changed out the upper and lower control arms, the sway links, um, ball joints with the upper and lower control arms. Oh yeah. But I'm gonna bring you along and show you the parts. The parts that were bad. We'll talk about it. So here we have everything that I replaced. Got the idler arm, the two uppers, the two lowers, the sway links, and the tie rods. Let's start with the uppers. Look at that. This one's no better. These ball joints were shot. The bushings are no good. Here's the passenger control arm. As you can see, this ball joint is done. That's the other ball joint that I replaced on the driver's side. It was just for a quick fix it. I didn't even care to put grease in the boot, and it just tore when I was installing it. So these sway in links, yeah, the garbage. And the idler arm. But yeah, this is all the junk that was replaced. I'm glad I got this fixed because I don't want to be driving it. Something happens with the ball joint or something catastrophic. But yeah, guys, no more squeaking. If you guys remember the last video I did where I was bouncing on the hood, she's stiff. She's straight. Look how clean that engine is. But that's going to do it, guys. I just wanted to bring you along and show you the suspension work. This car came a long way, gentlemen. That's going to do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys for your comments. Thank you guys for your likes. And we're going to ride it. You guys take care, man. Have a blessed day.